Dear friends, welcome and namaste. In today's video, we will see beautiful historical Parvati Hills from Pune from India. It would give you an experience of trekking and nature walk. You will know history of old temples constructed during 17th century by Peshwa dynasty. Now we are at Nana Saheb Peshwe Chowk. Here is a way to climb Parvati Hills. It is about 640 meters above the sea level. The hill has 103 steps. The steps are wide enough for elephants to climb up the hill. Many residents staying around Parvati base area come here for exercising every day. Hence, they have provided open gym on the way. Look at this gym. On the midway, you will see this board where they have written history of this popular hill and the temples. At the top, there are temples of Devadeveshwar, Ganesha, Bhavani, Vishnu, Surya and Kartik Swami. Now we have reached on the top. Here you will see Vitthal Rukmini Mandir. In the Mandir, you will hear a tune. Vitthal, Vitthal, Jai Hari Vitthal, 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 Jai Hari Vitthal. From here, after climbing few steps, you will reach to Devadeveshwar temple, which is Shiva temple. You can see both the sides of the entrance. There are statues of Dwarpalak, that is gatekeepers. They are called Dindi and Mundi. At the top, you will see observation gallery, which is also known as Megha Ambari in Marathi. After climbing these few steps and going through a narrow door, you will go inside the temple. Here you will see Nandi Mandapam. Nandi is considered to be Vahana of Lord Shiva. In front of Nandi Mandapam, you will see Devadeveshwar Mandir. The history of temple is linked with miracle. It is believed that Kashibai, the mother of third Peshwa, was suffering from severe ailment in her right foot. Kashibai prayed to the goddess Parvati on the hill and vowed that if she was cured, she would build a temple here. She soon recovered and thereafter her son Nana Saheb Peshwa built this temple on the hill. Here you will see arches where there are photographs of Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj, Nana Saheb Peshwa and Bajirao Peshwa. Another belief associated with the Parvati hill and temple is that Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj, the king of Maratha dynasty, had a special place for Nana Saheb Peshwa, who was his prime minister. Shahu Maharaj treated the young Peshwa like his own son. Naturally, the demise of King Shahu Maharaj was immense loss to Nana Saheb Peshwa. So as a means to pay respect, he brought his sleepers, that is Khadawa and Shivalinga, to Pune and placed them in the Parvati temple. Later, the shrine came to known as Devadeveshwar temple, that is Lord of Lords. Here is Ganpati temple and this is circumambulation path, and you can see from here closely summit of the temple. This is Parvati temple. At this temple, Kashibai prayed for cure of her ailment. Here you can see few more arches from where you can feel cool breeze and see beautiful nature of Pune from the top of the hill. This is Janardhan Vishnu temple. And here is way to climb Megha Ambari, which is an observation point. Let us climb this Megha Ambari and see how Pune looks from the top of Parvati Hills. You can enjoy spotting your favorite places from Pune. Yeah, I can see Shanwarwada. I can see favorite SP College. Now let us see museum. Inside the museum you will see Peshwa family tree and photographs of Peshwa dynasty. Besides, there are beautiful sculptures, paintings, manuscript, coins, clothing, transportation cards, musical instruments and lot other artifacts dating back to the Peshwa era. Nanasaheb Peshwa died at young age of 40 soon after the loss of Battle of Panipat in 1761, and here is his samadhi. Outside the samadhi you will get to see names of all the soldiers who sacrificed their lives during the famous Battle of Panipat. This is Peepal tree, which is also known as Munjaba tree, which is known as a gatekeeper. This is Vishnu Narayan Mandir constructed by Nanasaheb Peshwa. The idol is made of Shaligram black stone and has 24 symbols of Lord Vishnu, which are listed in the list which we have seen just now. There is another temple which is known as Kartik Swami or Murugan in Tamil. On your back you will see Parvati complex is going through some good renovation work. Majority of the trees at Parvati hills were exotic trees. Now they have planted some native trees. This historical journey of place, spiritual experience along with cool hilly breeze and beautiful nature provide respite from our daily routine. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel by clicking on subscribe, and if you click on the bell you will get notifications on my new videos. I'll come up with new videos very soon. See you, yours Desi Pardesi.